Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Sketchup is the right version and Lumion's exporter matches it. This avoids compatibility errors later. Once done, close Sketchup and open the Lumion installer or account to get the RBZ for live sync or the exporter. Next, launch Sketchup and open window right arrow extension manager. This is where you add the file. Make sure you have admin rights so installation can write needed files and keep the downloaded RBZ in an easier-to-find folder. Now install the exporter. Choose Extension Manager, click Install Extension, and pick the RBZ you downloaded. This step copies scripts into Sketchup's plugins folder. Once installed, restart Sketchup so the new toolbar and menu items load cleanly. After restart, open Extension's right arrow Lumion Live Sync or Lumion Exporter and configure any paths or preferences. This tells the plugin where to export files and which units to use. If you plan to use Live Sync, have Lumion open on your machine to pair the two programs. Finish by exporting a short test scene. Use Live Sync to stream geometry to Lumion or export an skp/DAE to import manually. This proves the workflow works. Make sure materials and UV mappings appear correct in Sketchup so Lumion receives clean textures. Reassign any missing images before exporting. If the plugin doesn't show up, reinstall the RBZ and run Sketchup as administrator. And double-check the extension's folder path. These steps resolve most installation failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.